Creating and using tags is a great way to organize all of your favorites on Teachers First. It's very simple to do, and I'll show you how to do that. First, you need to make sure you are logged in as a Teachers First member. So once you have logged in, you'll see that you've got several things up here. You've got a start page, your tags, and your favorites. If I click on this middle one, My Tags, this shows me all the tags that I have created and the favorites that are included with these tags. And I can click on any one of those to see those particular tools that I've saved. So if I click on Presentation, you'll see that I have saved 8 different resources that I have tagged with Presentation. These are things I might want to use for one of our sessions as part of a presentation. I can look at other ones. For example, if I want to look at collaboration, I've saved 13 different resources for things that I have marked to use with collaboration. So I want to show you how to do this so you can easily organize and find things to create, to personalize however it suits you best. To do this, we're going to start with a new resource. So I'm going to go to my home page and I'm going to go to the featured sites because there's always great things in here ready to save that we might want to use. So one of the things I like in here is self-destructible text notes. That sounds really fantastic. I think I'd like to look into this a little bit more. So first thing I want to do is open it up. So I click on this More, which shows me the full review. I can see the review. I can see the tags that we have created for this tool on Teachers First. I can see some suggested in the classroom uses, and I can see the edge features that they tell me about with here. The first thing I need to do to be able to create a tag is it needs to be one of my favorites. So I clicked on the plus sign to add to my favorites, and here is where I can add notes or tags. So this, I don't think I'm going to put a note on right now, but I might want to use this for a presentation sometime. And I already have that as a tag. You can see that right here. So I'm going to type that, put a comma to separate it. And I may also want to use it for something else. So I may want to use it for one of our edge tools. And this is one of the sessions we might use. I may want to share that during then. So I created a new tag by just typing the words in. If I want to add it to other tags, I just go ahead and put a comma and keep adding. Or if I'm done, that's all I need to do, except I need to be sure to click Submit when I'm finished. I also have the option to share this on my public page, and we'll share the public page in a different video, but I think I'll go ahead and do that now so I can show you where it shows up. Once I'm finished, I click Submit, and make sure you click Submit, and you see that this resource has been added as one of my favorites. So now, if I go back up where I started to my tags, I can see all the tags that I've got here now. You can see where I added Edge Tool as a new tag, and I have one thing in there. That's this new tool that I just added. If I go to Presentation, you can see it's been added. Now I have 9 instead of 8, and it's been added to the tag with my presentation. I also can go, I added it to my start page. So if I click on the tag that says my start page, I can go there, if it'll load. There it is. And if I go down here below the first paragraph, I've got add or edit my public page, and I want to look at it. So I'm going to view it. And if I look, here are my tags here that I have clicked to say, yes, they can be on my public page. Here's the Edge tool. And there's my notes that have been added. And we'll get further into using your public page in a different video.